How to find out which program a default beep is coming from in Windows 7. There's a default beep, as defined in System Sounds, that emanates from my computer every so often. It kind of goes like this, where each number is a default beep, sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a distinct pattern to it. I thought I had this figured out, a way to figure out what was happening by going to Control Panel, Ease of Access Center, replace sounds with visual cues. But that just isn't the case. Whichever window I click on, that one displays the visual cue when this happens. It's driving me crazy, and I can't figure out which program is causing this. Update. It appears to only happen on one user profile on the computer. Does that help? Update 2. Discovered that this sound was coming from a utility on my laptop called Asus NB Probe. I'm certain that it is emanating from this program because the error message displayed by it changes in sync with the sound playing. Apparently the SMART feature of my hard drive was reporting an issue. It displays the issue for a brief second and then makes it disappear. I'll have to keep watching it to see what it says, but I believe it says something about a red. I have an external HDD connected with a SATA to a container of sorts, or blacks, that you can plug two HDDs into. I have one HDD attached and it's a Western Digital WD-1001 FALS 00E8B0. Thanks again. Now I'm off to go around the internet and report on this, since I posted it so many places.
Download Microsoft/sysinternals Process Monitor. Start up Process Monitor and disable all of the logging except for file system activity. All but one of the buttons on the far right part of the toolbar should be deselected. Now, clear the capture window, edit, clear display, and if you can force the noise to happen. If not, sit and wait until it does happen. You may want to clear every 30 seconds or so if it gets too noisy. After you hear the noise, stop capturing, file, capture events, and search, edit, find, for.wav. Locate any reference to the default beep sound file. That should lead you the process that accessed the file and caused the sound.
Have you tried to look at the mixer? It displays each program that is outputting sound and a volume control with a bar showing sound level output. Click the speaker by the clock, then click mixer. Watch for the bar to spike when the sound happens.
Are you sure Windows is generating it? It may be generated in hardware for an exceptional circumstance, e.g. overheating. I would read the troubleshooting chapter in your motherboard manual and check the beep codes, post and otherwise, and see if you can match something up.
Found that the beeping on my system was my phone connection to charge my phone via the USB port on my laptop. It kept trying to find out what device was connected. Like it kept pinging the device. I unplugged my phone and reconnected it, then the beeping stopped as soon as the device was identified.
You often get this beep when pressing and releasing Alt. To stop it, go to Windows key, change System Sounds, default beep and set the sound to None.